Originally two separate houses, this property has been merged and remodeled into a spacious one-floor building, extensively renovated to function as a guest house. The layout is designed with the living room at its core, providing access to each of the 4 bedrooms, 2 of which are tatami rooms, 2 toilets and 1 bathroom. The house also features a partition between the kitchen and living room, creating a relaxing space. There is also a small garden that can be enjoyed from the living room and bathroom, and the house has been renovated to capture the ambience of Kyoto. The decoration in this house pays attention to detail and has many distinctive and original features. Located in Nishikujo Minami Ward, this single-story Kyoto townhouse is just a 1-minute walk from Toji Station on the Kintetsu line and is also within walking distance of JR Kyoto Station, offering excellent access. The sale price of 55 million yen includes furniture and appliances, making it suitable not only for business purposes, but also for residential use. This versatile property offers both convenience and comfort, allowing for a variety of uses. For those interested in a closer look, please don't hesitate to reach out to Kitayama Trading by checking details in the below description. Thank you for watching.